Hey YouTube, Eco Clean Queen here. I want to show you how to clean a toilet in an eco-friendly way. Take off everything that is on the toilet. This one's biodegradable, dye and fragrance free, not tested on animals, good product. So you can go ahead and pour a little bit into the toilet, just a few drops. The next step is grabbing drywall screen, which you can find at any hardware store. And you'll want to clean the inside rims of the toilet. You can hold your fingers like this, 3 fingers, and just clean the rims of the toilet. Okay, so you grab a toilet brush. You'll want to go ahead and start with the sides. Kind of mix that water around that has that dish soap so it's nice and soapy and foamy. And then just scrub the sides of the toilet. And use the apple cider vinegar on the corners. Grab the toothbrush. Grab a surgical rag and some apple cider vinegar and spray a generous amount. Get the baseboards. You can go ahead and wipe the top of your toilet. Okay, and then so that's one wipe. Go to the other side and then just buff what you cleaned. So add a generous amount of apple cider vinegar and just go ahead and clean all parts. So you can clean like this if you want to. You can clean like this like I did if you want to. However you think that it will be looking clean. And then just go ahead and grab the buff dry side. So you can, there's the dry side, and then you can just go ahead and buff it. Now with your toothbrush, spray the apple cider vinegar really lightly on the corners. Okay, and then you use your toothbrush to grab the crevices so you can remove all of that dirt. Spray the apple cider vinegar. And you can use your fingers too to grab those corners to dry. It's all buff dry, apple cider vinegar. And we'll do the seat. The seat needs to be super, super clean because that's what you're sitting on. Okay. And then apply the apple cider vinegar. And then what you'll do is take the flap right here with your finger and you'll hold it down so it doesn't make such a noise, you know? And you'll be able to clean around the edges there. Want to do the kind of the same thing, just grab your product here, just spray really lightly to all the spots there. Just bring out your toothbrush. Your toothbrush helps out a lot with getting those areas. And use your finger or your fingers to get those tough to reach places. Okay, so the next step is going around the toilet. On the sides, there's quite a few grooves on the sides of the toilet. So just make sure you're getting down in there as much as possible to look. Just put it on the dry, clean side so that you can buff the areas you just cleaned. Now the last step is the floor, and since our rag still has plenty of dry, clean spaces, we're gonna go ahead and fold it. Apply some apple cider vinegar, depending on what kind of floor you have. If you have marble, do not use vinegar, do not use any kind of acids or anything. Just use plain soap and water. And when you're doing the soap and water, just fill the bucket with water and just apply a couple of drops of dish soap. Just feel it on your hand that it's not too sticky or soapy, and it should be good enough for your floors. I don't do this for the entire floor in the bathroom, but around the toilet, it's so hard to get to with a vacuum or a mop. So I clean it by hand. And then before I start putting the stuff back, I'll spray some more apple cider vinegar on a clean side, and I'll grab all of the products that I leave right next to the toilet. You clean the plunger, clean the handle, see? Yes, and then the inside is still dirty, right? So you want to go ahead and flush the toilet, and then grab the clean side here with some apple cider vinegar if you want, or just regular vinegar, and then clean the handle, the very last part of the process here. And voila, that's how you clean a toilet. And if you have any suggestions or comments or things that you've learned based on this method, please share. I would be happy to hear what you have to say about how you clean your toilet. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more cleaning videos like this. Give it a thumbs up, and I will be happy to make more videos for you.